Don't you think we care a lot about the world for every small action of ours? What will they think if I say this? Will everyone like if I wear this dress? I so want to do this. But what will everyone say? And so on and so forth. We are always conscious while doing almost everything because we think that everyone will judge us based on whatever we do. We keep striving for everyone to like us in every way. We keep striving for appreciation. And for that, we keep doing things that the world would like or appreciate. But the question here is, do we really like doing those things? First of all, there is nothing bad or wrong in doing things what others like. But in all that, we should not miss doing the things we love to do. Of course, with the best effort of not hurting or harming anyone. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे उसको पीटना पसंद तो चलो जाके मैं उसको पीट के आता हूँ ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. But if we really want to do what we love, there are two most important things. Number one, we need to take out time to do what we love. Yes, number one is taking out time to do what we love. And number two, we need to stop caring what others think. Because you know what? No one really cares apart from those handful of people, your loved ones. No one else has the time to spend on thinking about what you do. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? एक दो बार गॉसिप करेंगे और छोड़ देंगे. As long as what we do does not affect anyone, what they think doesn't really matter. Who cares is the mantra, right? Who cares? So, plan your day or week or month such that you get to spend quality time on your hobbies. It may be anything, be it a sport, be it working out, be it painting, reading or writing, dancing, cooking, gardening, traveling, trekking. It may be anything. Take out time to do what you love. This is the time you spend for your own happiness. This is the time you're not bound to do something you don't want to. This is the time no one can take away from you. This is your me time. How can you expect others to love and respect you if you don't love and respect yourself? The best thing you can gift yourself is time. Correct. The best thing you can gift yourself is time. Spend at least some time for doing what you love. This will make you happy, believe me. And when you are happy, you will feel less bad about doing the things you don't want to. This works for me at least. You can try it out. I'm sure this will definitely work for you too. Okay, let me give you an example. As most of you might know, I'm a mechanical engineer with a full-time job. अब आप लोगों को तो पता ही है कि ऐसे में पूरा वीक कैसे निकल जाता है. But since I had started this channel, I wanted to continue no matter what. It is not possible for me to, spend much time on making the video and editing and all that stuff. I knew somewhere that shooting in different locations, different angles, making the video attractive, etc., is not my cup of tea. But I try to do whatever possible for at least one new video every week. Now, do I do this for the viewers? To some extent, yes. I mean, of course, who doesn't want to be heard or appreciated, right? But most importantly, I do it because I love it. हाँ, अब सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं बढ़ते एज एक्सपेक्टेड तो थोड़ा बुरा तो लगेगा ही. इतना बताने के बाद भी अगर आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते तो क्या कर सकते हैं? हाँ, I mean, I can see in the channel statistics that more than 75% viewers of this channel have not subscribed to the channel. थोड़ा बुरा तो लगता है. But again, who cares? This whole process of writing something right from the heart, the 15-20 minutes of shoot, the video editing and uploading the video on YouTube, this whole process in itself gives me immense happiness. That doesn't mean you should not subscribe, okay? क्योंकि पता है ऐसे में एक सब्सक्राइबर भी बढ़ता है ना तो मैं कितनी खुश हो जाती हूँ. You have no idea. And you know what the best thing is? I feel like writing more and more. With every new subscriber comes this encouragement that what I am doing is not that bad. Feels great. And as long as I am enjoying it, I will continue. See, there'll be appreciation and criticism for almost everything you do. What matters is enjoying what you do. After all, life is all about happiness. The happier you are, more beautiful life appears. So do what you love, stay happy, and keep watching Dewdrop Originals. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free, guys. Please do subscribe. And remember the mantra, who cares?